Welcome everyone, good morning, good evening guys, how is it going? How do you feel today? Great to see you community. Well, it's been a couple of days since we had a great time here on the stream. You see, I don't like this extended weekends, I don't like them. I certainly want to finish on Friday and get started on Monday with all my streaming guys. What's up everyone, how's it going? How do you feel today? Ready to kickstart and find out what are the movements of the price action. Look at that one, trying to recover from the, obviously, markets driven by fear and uncertainty for the macroeconomical situation. Good morning everyone, make sure to like the video. Come on, let's just bring up those numbers. We don't really have any news scheduled for today. Oh, thank you guys, you did enjoy that video. Yeah, Lucid Black, we're going to talk about today and share my perspective across today's presentation, but also in the upcoming days. We got 5 Lucid Black $100,000 accounts. We got them. I bought 5 Lucid Black of 100K, and I'm going to start trading them today. Right, we have 5 Lucid Flex approved of 150 on the funded stage. So if I pass the Lucid Black, they're gonna be paused. You're gonna be updated on the email, sure. We just get back in business today, buddy. We're gonna verify the messages and everything that came through, and we're gonna take care about it. How do you feel today, chat? How's it going? Look at that, Australia Open balls. This is the way players are playing, guys. Players are playing. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, that's a lovely. We're live. Let me just share that one with all the community members. You guys want to do the same thing. Invite your friends, neighbors, brothers, sisters, wives, and... So where are we? We're live here. Yep. Let's go, chat. And nurses, exactly, and nurses. Do not forget about the giveaway, right? So you don't want to win the giveaway today without having a great time on the forum. All the Discord, Telegram, all the communities, let them know about our stream. It's time to change the world. And time for me to make 150 bucks here quickly. We just opened our first trade on YRM platform, guys, for the week. Wish me good luck, guys. Come on. That's great. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Yep, the entire community is right there. So that's the target. And the target has been hit, guys. The first target of the week, $208. I don't want to make more, and I'm going to explain you why. Celebration time. That's the way to kickstart. That's the way to go for the targets relentlessly. $208. I don't want to make more. Boom. Enough is enough. And the fireworks are needed way more than numbers. Enough for digital dollars, because we got to transform that into whole cash hard right there. Big money. Let's see, where are we, guys? Where are we on the account we traded today? Day number 6 of the 3rd cycle. Hard, cold cash money. Day number 6, it's 26 sessions. That's day number 6 completed of the third cycle. Look at that, daily net P&L. We've cashed out 5,500 from this account. Here's the daily net P&L. That's lovely. So let me share with you. This is from where our third cycle starts. This is the first day, and it goes like that. That's the net P&L column. That's what you guys want to look forward. Good morning, welcome guys. Our first target has been hit already. Not a difficult one. But you see, even when that $1 is left, especially in your last day of trading, seems to be more difficult and certainly emotional than the 9,000 made in the past couple of weeks, right? Yeah, feels great. So we have some decent profits here in this cycle. Let me see which is my highest day. $591 is my highest day. 591 times 5 to discover how much money do I have to do for 20% consistency. You lost the fireworks. Well, these are not the only fireworks, I hope so, what we had, but they were the first fireworks of the week, of the day. And that's very important. Plus, on top of that, it was day number 6 for the third cycle account on 150k YRM, guys. Minimum 10 days of 150 bucks. That's the only thing you need. You don't have a payout target. This instant funding accounts for the YRM are incredible good and convenient. Right, so we got to do that 2,955 for 20% consistency on the cycle. Let me see how much that we made. I'll quickly do the math here. $2,915. So we are just a couple of dollars away hitting the consistency, which means, guys, I'm gonna keep making around $150, $200 for the rest of the days. Hopefully by Friday we're gonna be able to complete this cycle. It's gonna be cycle number 3, and then cycle number 4 will be a payout of $6,000 for the account. How to enter the giveaway? Well, subscribe to the YouTube channel, join our Discord, and join the form. I just pasted the form, and I just pasted the Discord. 2 links. You want to join and be part of our Discord community, and you want to complete the form right there. The form is particular and unique for every single day giveaways we're performing. Right, so that was it for this one. Very exciting. Going to the next account. We have day number 5 here of the second cycle. I'm going to make the minimum. I don't want to make more than that. That's how I keep myself humble. But I keep saying I don't want to make more than that. Like, I'm rejecting profits. If I'm not rejecting profits, it's going to cost me more. Thank you guys for joining. Good morning, good evening. We're gonna pull the trigger, and that's gonna be pretty hot today. Could be a lower high here in the market. It could actually attack that red line of rejection, but there is a lot to say. So we're still trading down, and for quite a few hours we were pressuring about 350 points. I like to do my 150 bucks here, and today I think it's a good idea to push through the micros and trade that one. Good morning, welcome guys. We got ourselves 5 Lucid Black accounts of $100,000. So for those of you that are not familiar, Lucid Black is the new product, and I did make a video. You have the ability to see it on my channel. 3 days between the payouts, and you can double your payout with bonuses. Yeah, it's not easy, right? Do not expect to be easy when you take a payout on a 100K account of 4,000. Do not expect to be that easy. Oh, that's not good to hear. Due to platform glitch, they denied. So you touch your target. Yeah, looking forward to hearing more about it. Looking forward to hearing more about it and see what we can do. See what we can do. I'm going to reach out and help you. I'm going to reach out for you and help you. See what we can do. Just send me the details on direct message. We're always here for our community members on any prop firm, basically. Whether we are part of the prop firm or not, it's very important to hold our strength, guys, together and act as a community. This way, our negotiation is way stronger. All right, guys, so you are already, I've responded to your request. This is an interesting spot here. I'm out a little bit. We made $74. It's pulling back, but there is some interesting spot here in the 30s. Back into my long here. Oh, look at that sell-off. Wow. Wow. Buying back into my long, DCing up here. I'm out. 387 profit, guys. Beautiful. 387 profit. We made money off that. Let me do the same thing on this account. Just a little bit. So we made 387 on that drop. That was pretty tough, guys. Come on. I'm out. 134 for the moment. That's lovely. Buying back. Re-entering into my long here. Not gonna DCA. It's risky. And I'm out. 378 profit. So we got to profit on all the 3 accounts for YRM. There you go, guys. That's the way to kickstart, like I said. Boom. Oh, make sure to subscribe. And get all the business going. 378 here. 387 on the other one. And then the first one we traded is $208. So time to... yeah. Time to see how to adjust the price conditions from here. We got this trade of
order filled.
Tap on futures.
Order filled.
But let me open up Quantower, guys. Because I want to trade some... where's Quantower? I want to trade some... boom. Of course they are. A lot of the people got paid from our community. Minimum 10 days of $150. That's for the trading conditions, guys, for the payout conditions. Minimum 10 days of $150, and that's it. Including the 20% consistency if you come through the instant funding account. No payout target. That's a lovely movement, guys. I'm gonna sell everything here.
Order filled.
We made how much? $500, exactly $500. Look at that total P&L for the 30 accounts that we're trading here. $500. That's enough. I mean, hey, do not blame me. We made $500 in a minute. after we completed 3 targets for the YRM accounts, and the market is coming back. So obviously this is what's happening. You guys remember how many times we got burned by buying into a trade, not selling it out on the impulse. Market comes back and I hit my break even. Instead of securing 3, 4, 5 trades like that on the peak, we always touch the break even. So today I decided market moves, I'll take my profit. I'm not going to dream about things that I just wish, because the market is not always doing that, right? Sometimes it certainly does what we wish, but rarely. So let me just take my money and profit. Daily loss limit, they have a daily loss limit, but that's, so comfortable. Let me share with you the details for the YRM. So once again, guys, the whole platform, our community is trading really nicely on their platform for a great time already. However, what is important is their trading rules are minimum 10 days of $150. That's the only thing for any account size. Whether you're trading on the evaluation and make it funded, or you're trading instantly funded, basically, minimum 10 days of $150, plus the consistency that has to be respected. 20% for the instant funding accounts, and 35% for the funded accounts coming from evaluation. Plus on the evaluation stage, you have 50% consistency, so you can pass the evaluation in 2 days. The evaluations do not have a daily loss limit. There's not going to be daily loss limit even when they're going to be funded. The instant funding accounts do have a daily loss limit, but that's 4,500 for the accounts we're trading. This is the one that's worth it for the price. 150K is at $540 basically, the 150K account. Scramble coupon code gives a bigger discount than what these guys are giving. Always negotiated for the best and for the strong. Right, so no more trading on Trade of 8, that's it. But I'm going to open up my long as quickly as possible on the Lucid, guys. Let me set up my copy trader. Come on, let me set up my copy trader for the Lucid. Now let's not forget about this Ignite account that we've been trading for 4 months.
Order filled. Order filled.
Because this is a level that we could get some support here. Let's just put that $500 target. Look at that one. How beautiful. Come on. We got to put a break even here.
Order filled.
$52. That's not that good. Yeah. Hidden rules. So you have to be... There's 2 things about other rules. News trading. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after for a certain category of news. And I can show you quickly that one. So here's the help center. We've got basically rules. Economic calendar. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. Here's the link basically for the news. 4 minutes window for this category of news. You can you pause the live stream and look at that. You are not supposed to trade. You should not trade during those news. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. That's a 4 minutes window. That's it. And then in terms of micro scalping, 50% of your trades and profits coming from your trades should come from trades you're holding minimum for 10 seconds, right? So 50% of your profits should come from trades that you're holding minimum 10 seconds. Yeah. For example, if you made 5 grand, then 2,500 should come from trades you made minimum 10 seconds. That's a good looking chart here for the 5 minute, guys. Do not blame me, the red line is holding, but you see I need time to set up my whole quant tower. Let's just go ahead and set up. We have a lot of the accounts here. We've got 5 funded of Lucid Flex 150K. And we have 5 evaluations of 100K Lucid Black. This is the link basically for the form to be completed on the giveaway. The giveaway starts after the New York opens. I'm grabbing a little long here. And as soon as I have basically $250, I'm out of it. This is the big account where we have, I'm out. 183. Let me grab another contract. 183. This is the account we have a ton of money. Good morning, welcome guys. Yes, 5 funded maximum on Lucid. Hey Jake, we've got all the targets already. What's up, buddy? On YRM, we got all the 3 accounts targets today. Tap 1 futures for trade of 8, all the 3 targets. Because we're doing copy trading there. And now we just got the target for the first Lucid Flex, $284. Look at that one. Celebration times, guys. 284 target has been hit. I told you, only need 250 here. This is the scalping. How many targets do we have? How many fireworks do we have? 12 AC. Come on, tell me. Oh, there's big differences between Lucid Flex and Lucid Black. For example, Lucid Flex is not having consistency on the funded stage, and it's not having... I think Lucid Black is easier for people. Sorry, Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex. That's what I meant to say. Lucid Flex is easier for people. Lucid Black is a premium version, which is actually requiring you to be a better trader and allows you to make more money by being a better trader. Lucid Black. But you have to make money first with a Lucid Flex. And let me tell you, that's a great way, guys, to position yourself strategically. If you're not making money with a Lucid Flex, don't touch Lucid Black because it's harder. First, make money with a Flex. Push as much as you need to make money with a Flex. And then you can kind of diversify into the Lucid Black as well. But Lucid Flex is a lot easier. You have no consistency and no payout target on the funded stage. Maximum discount will always be right there with a scramble coupon code. Yeah. Good morning from New Jersey. Great to see you, buddy. Time to celebrate here. We're having a great time, but you see, all these rejections are not something that I would like to sit on along. We got a first target here, 284. Not going to trade more than that. Look at this one, guys. Market is bouncing here. Daily VWAP is at 310. 110 points from here, guys. I think we're gonna touch that. But the question for me today is, we're gonna get back to last week's low, 420. If you're trading below last week's low already in the first day of trading, like this week, Tuesday is kind of the first day of markets, and if you're trading below last week's low, that kind of draw the line for the direction we have to seek for the upcoming days. I don't think they will accept, yeah, funding ticks, exactly. Big problem. Good job, Rocky Trades. Congratulations. Just, you know, slow it down. Do not touch funding ticks. Exactly. It's gone. Oops. No fireworks yet. So let me share with you my My best funded account of Lucid Flex. Look at that one, guys. The one we just made here, 284 right now. This is the one. And it's already updated. Today, 284. And this is for January. For those of you wondering if there is a bug in the system, no, the losses are not showing up with a green color. No. And then here we have for December. Now we're joking, guys, come on. Let's just have some nice times out here. This is for December. And then this is for January. And we have basically 16 grand in buffer. And now guess what? Scrambo is gonna milk this. Scrambo is just gonna do $250 a day till I keep taking payouts out. Sundays are red. Yep. So let me see how can I set up my quant tower here for... Let me think about, guys. I'm gonna try to do some Lucid Black copy trading. All the 5 accounts we got, I'm trying to do some copy trading with it. Let's see if we can sort it out. So Quant Tower has an integrated copy trader. I'm gonna use that. All the 5. Right, let's just set up. Here's the account, guys. This is the one we're gonna... Lucid is the best out there. You gotta be both, Fred. Both. Now, just giving the, the joke side. So, I guess inspired without taking it personally, right? It's not meant to be personal like that. I guess inspired and a form of motivational. I got no idea what the market is going to do at the time it opens. The 420s, oh. The 420s, well, I have a lot of flexes to trade. We just traded 1 flex today. We have 4 more flexes, and we're going to have fireworks from there. I'm going to trade them alone, probably. But we're going to keep right now 5 Lucid Blacks in a single copy trading form. Think about, guys, if we hit the break. No, this account is a Lucid Black account. We're going to copy trade 5 Lucid Black accounts. So let me explain you once again. I'm going to make a video, guys, comparing Lucid Black with Lucid Flex. If you're not making money on the Lucid Flex, do not touch Lucid Black. Lucid Flex is a lot easier. No consistency on the funded stage, no target. And let me tell you something, with a Lucid Black, you got that target for the payout bonus, right? You know that target attracts people. And people will, I think that's more of a trap for the majority of the traders. And unfortunately, it's like that. It's not because that's the way I want. I want the opposite thing to be, an opportunity. But instead of being an opportunity, it's a trap for most of the traders. In reality and theoretically, it's an opportunity. You can have a double payout with that bonus on the Lucid Black. But then, in the performance of the traders that are touching their standard payout, not requesting, pushing harder for that bonus payout, a lot of people will fall there. So I want you guys to be smart here. People watching our stream are smart. take your money out and do not hunt things that you have small chances of achieving. Build your reputation and consistency, your confidence, by seeing the performance of your activity and not just blindly believing into something, because it's not going to happen, guys. Right? So slowly, you want to take some payouts, accumulate, and then go for that bonus kind of thing for the Lucid Black. That's the case, guys. So stop dreaming, stop buying the account because they give you a bonus on the second payout if you touch that 7% on the 100K, right? We're on fireworks, guys. We're in fireworks today. Yeah, we were off. That's why some people did not receive anything during the last days. We were off. We're just today back in business. And we're going to spread basically the giveaway accounts that are missed. But this guy, for some reason, is spamming. Well, already got terrified today, Martin, because we had 3 targets hit on YRM. 3 targets hit on 3 accounts. We've hit that. Direct accounts are really tempting, basically, with Lucid. So we got 3 targets on YRM, 3 accounts, I mean, and then 3 accounts in Tap on Futures. That's 6. 1 account on Lucid Flex. That's 7. Oh, great to see you guys. So they're supposed to be terrified at this. This platform is Quant Tower, and we're trading it through the rhythmic connection for Lucid trading. Quant Tower through rhythmic, an integrated copy trader. Simple. I don't use any crazy wild thing. Just market orders, drag and drop, and goodbye. You see, I'm pretty much old school. I don't have brackets. I don't have wild strategies of, you know, nothing preset, nothing, guys. I mean, you know, I'm trading like in 1980s. You see, I don't need anything else. Yeah. It showed the dollar values for the stop loss and take profit. I'm trading price action with some great fundamentals towards the markets. Hey, good job, William. That's a good one, I'm telling you. Exactly, Fred. Well, that's my strategy, as you can see. You see that stop loss, I think it attracts the markets. And that's why you guys get stopped out. You barely see stop losses in my charts. You kind of... 99% of the time, I don't put stop losses. I exit out of the trades manually, but without having preset stop losses. And you guys have seen that for the past months. This is an interesting spot here to open up a short. Let's see if it... You know, we're copy trading on 5 accounts. Lucid Black. This is the first trade. We're doing on this account. The first trade. How much money do we have to produce here, guys? Stop loss and break even. You see, I got my stop loss there. And now watch how it's going to get attracted by the price action and market makers that are watching us. Look at that. Yeah, the strategy we have not to put a stop loss so we cannot get stopped out. I'm controlling that from the sizing. I'll exit at a time it jumps or it dips unexpectedly, but we're not trading usually the London session, right? So, sorry, we're not trading the New York session. We're always trading the London session. 99% of my trades are done during the London session, so we don't have 300 points dips per second. As soon as the market is not what I enjoy and what I need and what I expect, I'm cutting my trade right away. But it's not preset. That's the thing. So if you trade 6,000s and make 6,000 profits with their max payout, will exceed. Each cycle starts from 0, 12 AC in terms of the profits required for the Lucid Black. Right, so the profit required for the Lucid Black, each cycle needs that profit to be made. Does not matter how much money you have made in the previous cycles in your balance. That money you've made in the previous cycle is nice because it gives you buffer and room for the max losses, right? But that do not influences the fact that you have to make that same dollar amount in your new cycles. Exactly, so that's the way it works. Yeah, Lucid Blacks are evaluations. On Flex, you can roll over previous profits. Yes, on Flex, but not on Lucid Black. Right, so on Lucid Flex, I have an account sitting on $16,000 profit. I only make $250 per day, and I'm taking max payout out, and that's it. I think for the majority of people, Flex is better. I'm adding to my short here, guys. If it breaks down, it's going to be an interesting idea. Let's see. Stop loss and break even. We could accelerate downwards. We could accelerate here. Just watch out how I'm smelling the trades. I'm putting a trading here that looks a little better than just going around my entry. Yeah, we do have the green tea here sitting around. Well, it's not without having a green tea today because I'm having it from 5 a.m. morning. Elite traders. Well, look at that one. Come on. We had the flat opening right now. Do not dare to jump. I thought you guys will dump it. All the way down to below 200s. That's what I need. Thank you so much, guys, for joining and for watching. We're trading our Lucid Black accounts. Fresh accounts. We got $48 in profit here. You see, this is a risky situation to be in a short. Yeah. I'm taking my shot for the long here, and I'm expecting basically a continuation, but of course there is a significant risk involved, so let's see. I think the way we rejected on the flat opening and the way this candle holds here is an interesting moment for a continuation above 236. I'm going break even, $60 profit. Come on, guys. Let's make some money on this Lucid Black accounts. We gotta pass that evaluation. Look at that one, guys. Come on. Oh, we're gonna get denied here. Nah. Do not do this with me. Just leave it nicely for a good run. We had a lovely entry, guys. Come on. Giveaway starts a little bit later. After the New York session. Once I finish trading. We're trading live. Once I finish trading, that's the time we've got the giveaways coming through. Good job, Rocky Trades. That's exactly the way you want to do it. Good job. Ernesto, you pay $64.65, no activation fee, no monthly cost. And that's it, Ernesto. Yes. It's bouncing. Well, here you got five fireworks. If I close this trade, obviously we're gonna do 5 fireworks, right? We've got 5 accounts there. I'm gonna leave this one, guys, open. I like the fact that towards the previous candle we closed, we did not attach. Look at that. We're just rejecting right now, and that's what I wanted to say. We did not reject it, and we just got the. But let's not. Oh my gosh. I'm out. 450 is better than any crazy price action returning back to my entry. 450 is better. Let me take that money for the moment. On 5 accounts, that's some good money, and celebration is needed. You know, I like the smell of the burnt fireworks. Yeah, 2 Nasdaqs. Minis. Boom. Hey, celebration time. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today. Maximum 3 funded accounts, exactly. That's why you would like to have the biggest sizes as much as possible. Martin, I've been doing copy trading. So I only open my position on a single account, and we have a copy trader set up in Quant Tower for Lucid. And then it's running automatically, right? It's copy trading automatically. Thank you guys for joining. It is considered a different trade when you DCA, yes. Yes. Like the video, guys. Let me see how many likes do we have. So we're short here of 130 likes. That's absolutely unacceptable. In order to do the giveaways, come on, guys. Let's just raise up the bar. Like the video, be subscribed, and just get all the numbers rolling. Come on, guys. It's all for free. Any video on how to set it up? I can show it on the live stream here. I think I can show it. No, it's not showing my screen. That part of the screen is not showing. I think I have. If I don't have a video, it's very simple, and there's already there's quite some videos on YouTube about how to set up the copy trader on Quant Tower. I can explain you. If you have Quant Tower and if you open up, I can explain you. I can tell you basically. Let me know if you have Quant Tower and if you can open it up. If you want to trade from different prop firms on Quant Tower, such as if you want to trade from Lucid, 5 accounts, and then connected with another prop firm, 5 accounts. If you want to connect multiple prop firms, you need a premium version of the Quant Tower. If you want to only copy trade within the same prop firm, then you're fine with the free version of the copy trader from the Quant Tower. Prop firms are extremely terrified today. So 450 here. How much money do we need to do on the black? Yeah, Sorry guys, there's a little mistake here. No, let me just edit. How much money do we need? Let me just I think we need we need to do 6%. Yeah. That's a lot of money. Do you guys... it's not easy, honestly. If you're using Trade Evade is a little bit different. In Trade Evade, you create a group to trade in CopyTrader. So a Trade Evade has CopyTrader integrated, and you trade as a group, guys. Let's test out a little long here if it has the courage, guys, to release the pressure to the upside. I'm taking my spot here. Let's see. Thank you, William. Appreciate it. Yes, we were off. We were off, basically. No giveaways delivered. Past couple of days, we were off. So let me show you the charting here, guys, and that's why we're... Look at that. Look at that 5-minute situation. If this is not going to get rejected at this levels we're actually trading right now, there is a good chance of continuation after finding double and decent support here. The algo is holding the market for the moment. It's just about having the continuation on the momentum side, and we're fine. Yeah, of course, there is a minor supply here for the 1-minute chart. 5-minute looks like it wants to go up. This candle has to close decently, and then the next one obviously has to be green, and we're going to bank on that. But let's just find it out. This is, you know... not an easy trade. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Do not be shy on that. Do not be shy on that. I've just DC'd here. Another DCA. You see these Lucid Black accounts, to make them funded, it's not an easy exercise. I just DC'd one more time here. Cannot participate the giveaway. So in order to participate the giveaway, you have to be subscribed on the YouTube channel, complete a giveaway form, which is here, join our Discord, and like the video. These are the conditions to participate the giveaway. Yes, you can lock yourself out. I'm gonna show you soon. I'm gonna show you soon how you can lock yourself out. DCing one more time here, guys. I like this price action, that's why I'm doing it. But I don't like that rejection that just came through. Oh, I don't like that rejection that we just witnessed. We have a 465 realized profit. Come on. $247, guys, and we're out. $247. $20 points from here. You're feeling lucky. You know, Google used to have that button, I'm feeling lucky today. You guys remember when you were searching on Google something, you were actually, I'm feeling lucky today. What was it about? Was it a duck race behind? I never tested that button, guys. Were they doing a duck race behind? Good job, great. You definitely want to be locked down. Oh my gosh, come on, give me that push. Do not continue with that bleeding price action model. I don't like that bleeding price action model. We squeezed a little bit here. You know, just a single point. But that might have been the only thing needed for the price action to reverse. Good day, everyone. Good day, guys. Great to have you on board. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Today we've hit targets back and forth. All the 3 accounts on YRM hit their targets. 3 accounts on Tap on Futures for Trade of It we traded hit the targets. 1 Lucid Flex hit the target, so we have 7 out of 7. And now we're trading 5 Lucid Black. We have a 465 realized profit, and this trade, which is for the moment against my position. Yeah, I am still holding it here on 6 minis, 5 accounts of Lucid Black. Could it be a temporary support here? Could be. 6 minis. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Come on. You guys ready for some fireworks? Give the market some credit, guys. Come on. Time to make this 5 Lucid Flex accounts funded. Hopefully this week. Time to make them funded. Oh, strategy. The strategy I have is complicated. It's very hard to explain. Our community knows it. But stick with us in multiple live streams and you're going to find it out. We're momentum traders on price action, with some reliable levels that I'm aware of from the technical side. We're going for the momentum. Scalpers. Good day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like it. That's a silly rejection that came through in the previous candle. I don't like that, but we can still keep up the momentum here. And this candle should go above the previous wick in order for me not to get a disgrace. I'll have to size down if this is not running in the next seconds. I'll have to size off. Look at that one. Come on. That's looking interesting, guys. We had a good closing. I'll just take 2 contracts away. You know, I just... I'm gonna put a break even here. We've closed 2 contracts. We'll put the break even. I'm gonna leave the rest of the thing for a good runner. Favorite team? I used to like Real Madrid. And maybe some more. But I'm into tennis, guys. I'm into a lot of tennis. I'm playing tennis daily. I got a coach and I'm playing tennis daily. We got stopped out on break even. We have 185 profit here. You see, we have let the market enough room for a runner and it was not completed. So who's gonna win? Probably Zinner. Probably Zinner. Yeah, paddle is great as well, but it's not my... I like to run a lot more. I like to run a lot. And I've been into tennis for many, many years, so I'm not going to give up on this. We got daily trainings. 2 hours a day, I'm training, running around like a mad. And look at the markets dropping so you understand why we got out. Why we just decreased the size earlier and we put the break even. I tested paddle, but I like to run. I like those shots coming from tennis. I enjoy basically the nature of it. Roger is from tennis, obviously my top notch. Barca is good too. You know, I'm fine with both. Probably one of the fewest guys that's fine with Barca and Real Madrid at the same time. Yannick, exactly, the Zinner. Good stuff. The Italian tennis school is amazing at these times. Should be traveling there to play some tennis and get some nice trading in Italy, guys. Come on. This is not looking good out here. You see, I'm shorting this, guys. Four minutes short. What do you guys think about it? Do I have any chance making money on this one? Five minutes short. Yeah, Alcaraz is amazing. Not selling anything yet, guys. Not selling anything. Let's see if we can get below the 200s. I'll put a break even there. In case of a silly rejection, I'll have to be break even, and that's exactly what happened. Absolutely lovely. We're 212 in profit. Trading with me, well, you can be here on the live stream. You can listen to the things that I talk. You can just... Let me see if I can go tight here on a long. I'm putting a stop loss there, right? Let's see if we can do it. We could actually get surprised with a push back into 225 from a critical level from here. That's something the market makers could actually surprise. I think they give a lot of opportunity here for people to jump on shorts. I'm going break even. So you can be here on the stream if you would like to be part of what I'm doing and enjoy the whole process. Make sure to like the video, guys. In order to be part of the giveaway, you gotta like the video and then sign up. Look at that one. We jumped out of the short and we got back into the long, printing some good decent USDs out here. 2 contracts because that was a risky spot. It was a risky spot. We went for the reversal and we smelled something on the price action. I'm going to hold this one, guys. Watch me holding this one aggressively because this is what we got. Let me show you the price action. This is what we got here. It's the red line once again, baby. It's the red line that gave us an initial reaction. If that holds, we have a good chance here to clear this resistance trending line breakout and go for the daily VWAP minimum 300. That's 80 points from here. 2 minis on 80 points. I'll get all the targets needed. 200 EMA and daily VWAP. So we're going to sit in that long. I like to do for the Lucid Black like 6,000 divided by 3. Yeah, about 2,000 bucks. About $2,000. The red line is coming from an indicator that's called Dynamic Swing and Short Volume Weighted Average Price from Zayerman. Let me share with you the link for the indicator. It's for free. It's very, very useful. Our community did discover that in the past streams, how we were trading it. Come on, guys. Let's just move above the previous red candle and we're going to have the ability to move our trailing higher. That's what I'm going to do. I'm moving my trailing higher. We're going to trail right below this candle. You see the gap we have right now, and that's the strategy you want to learn, guys. If you're having a movement that's running with an impulse, retracing back, and then it's bouncing higher, you will always want to move your stop loss from break even to that low bouncing point. We just did it right now. You always want to do that. I like to do 2,000. Charts are looking great. We're not going to get here stopped out by the nonsense volatility. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. You see, this red candle we have right now is nonsense here. We should have received a continuation, and this is why you gotta play smartly. We've been stopped out. We have a 320 bucks profit here. And now, 5-minute algo. Look at that one. There is a risk of running it back. Oh my gosh. I'm backing along here. Let me see if this is going to get rejected once again here for the 5th time. Yeah. I'll be out if this is going to get rejected there for the 5th time. Adding a little bit more. Ah, look at that price section. No. I'm out. I sold basically. And we're down 275. Had to accept the loss there. Had to accept the loss there because this can actually roll over. This can actually roll over. And I think there is a significant risk for the price action to continue down, so we're jumping on the short wagon. 4 minutes short, guys. Come on, just roll over. Roll over, come on. Watch the spike we're gonna get right now. Watch that 30 points to the upside. If this is not get sold, this bouncing should get sold. Come on. There's 2 minutes to go for the market opening, guys. And this is getting wild here. I'm adding to my short here. You see, I'm not going to leave my 5 minutes open for the New York session without being secured on my break even. But I'd like to take that 2,000 if it comes. Look at that one. Stop loss and break even, guys, right now. Keep it going. Two minutes to go. Oh, we got stopped out nicely. With a stop loss and break even. That's a crazy move to the upside. And we got the break even touched. Adding a contract to my long here. I'm gonna be long in a single contract. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we could see a nice runner here. It's not easy to have more than a single contract for the opening. You know, it's the first day for this account. Goodbye, buddy. We could actually witness here a lovely breakout. Rip it, guys. We could witness a lovely breakout here out of the trending line. So I think I should basically double up on my sizing. Let's see. We're risking. We have 2 contracts. We have DC8 onto that wick. Come on, guys. Give me that lovely move. There you go. Beautiful. 15 seconds to go. Stop loss and break even. 10 seconds to go, guys. Stop loss and break even. 3 seconds. Opening bell. Push. And the target has been hit, guys. The target has been hit. $1,970. Celebration time. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Scrambos and fire. Boom. Hey, look at that. 1,970. We got you, market makers. Oh my gosh. First day. First day. First day on the Lucid Black. Let's go. Look at that one breakout. Exactly what we talk about. We went to the level that has been encircled. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, guys. Mandatory to be part of our Discord community in order to join. Oh, we had 5 fireworks. 5 of them. Look at that. We made $1,970 first day of $100,000 Lucid Black account. Thank you guys for joining. So let's just see what else we can trade. We traded 5 blacks of 2 grand each. We traded a single flex and we got to the target. We have 4 more flexes. Let's see if we can make some money on this one. This is a Lucid Flex. Where is the strength, guys? Where is the strength? Why is the strength missing? We should have a decent green candle right now, otherwise I'm gonna be out. If this is not running, I'll be out. I'm out. In profit. 7.99 profit. Scrambles on fire once again. Not going low, going up. 7.99 profit. Boom. Good luck with that. Good luck, guys. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Oh, so you want one more? No worries. I'll take care about you. I'll take care about you. Trading another one. Another Lucid Flex funded. Lucid Flex, guys. Big money on the table right there. No consistency, no target on the funded stage. Let's take care about another Lucid Flex here. It's ripping. Hope you made money on this one. We just had the breakout we were talking about. We just had this breakout we were talking about. A red line holding, and we've been talking about that since we got on stream. Red line holding. And then markets breaking out. No consistency and no target on the funded stage for the Lucid Flex. The most convenient, the most flexible out there, along with the YRM accounts that are only having a payout target, a minimum of $150 per day for 10 days. If that's not easy, with a $6,000 drawdown for the YRM, then obviously, no words. Testing out something here, but it's not looking good. As soon as I clicked, it dropped. As soon as I clicked, it dropped. Not looking good. I'm gonna do an exit soon. Here. Accept 688 loss. And I'm shorting. I think there is a decent chance of... But let's see. Let's see. Had to accept that loss. It's not looking good at all. And now I have to do the profit, guys. Boom. We made the profit. We're just down to 30. Pulling back aggressively. There's a temporary support on 280s. but I'm not sure if this is going to hold. Settings for the red line. You got them here. Just do a screenshot. Testing out a little long here and see if 280 holds. Stop loss and break even. I'm out for the moment. We're 51 bucks in profit from the loss we were. So we're 51. Getting back in along here. Come on. Just want to put a stop loss on break even. And I'm out. 312 in profit. So we hit the target because the Lucid Flex is 250 a day for 5 days. There you go. The $800 loss eliminated and we're back in profit 312. There you go. Boom. Keep it going, guys. Keep it going. Thank you so much. 7 out of 7 fireworks. We traded 3 Lucid Flex. We have 2 more Lucid Flex to have all the 10 accounts on Lucid traded today on profit. 3 on YRM, 3 on Tap on Futures would actually be 16 accounts. So there's 2 more. Let's see. I'll just do my 250 bucks on this 2 more. Testing out a short here, guys. Testing out, but it's risky. Come on, that's my take profit there, all the way down to 300s. Stop loss and break even. Come on. $46 profit. Getting back in my short here. I'm out. 278 profit. Celebration time. Another one, guys. Account number 9 on profit hitting the target on Lucid today. 9 out of 10. We have 1 more to trade. Or it's 9 out of 9. Lucid Flex, no consistency, no target. I use for YRM Volumetrica with deep charts. Lovely price section. Lovely. Let's make some more money. So here's the last Lucid Flex. It's going to be 5 out of 5. Beautiful. You see, we're reshorting this move. And that's risky. I'm telling you, it's risky. Putting the stop loss on break even. I'm out for the moment. 106 profit. We're good with that one. It's a risky spot here. $106 in profit. Let me do another 100. Reshorting this. No. Gotta get out of this soon. Now, 342 loss, accepted. Yeah, I'm greedy, exactly. Lucid, so 50% of your... That's an interesting spot. For Lucid, there is basically 50% of your trade, of your profit you're making should come from trades you held minimum for 5 seconds. That's with Lucid. 50% of your profit should come from trades you held minimum for 5 seconds. That's an interesting spot here, guys. But that 5-minute candlestick we just had is incredible. Let me show you the charts. Once again, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, and complete the form to participate. The giveaway, we're shy by 70 likes. Testing out along here for a continuation. We could get something aggressive, guys, here. But there is a risk for the downside too. Yeah. Nah. I've DCA'd a little bit. Come on. Come on. Just hit that down. There you go. 219. Gotta do 30 bucks extra. 219 profit. Backing along here with a single contract at this time. Now, looks like that rejection we've got is kind of confirmed. If it's not. And 275 target has been hit, guys. There you go. Oops, you're not seeing my screen. You're supposed to see the screen. 275 target has been hit. I'll show you all the accounts soon. Boom. So this is 10 out of 10 on Lucid. 10 out of 10. 3 out of 3 on YRM. 3 out of 3 on Tap on Futures. That's 16 out of 16 hitting targets today on the live stream. And that's happening basically on an hour and 23 minutes, trading 16 accounts. There you go. Quantum, the Lucid Black accounts, I did copy traded all the 5. Yes. You guys were watching TradeView, and I was pushing on my quant hour. So I did copy traded my Lucid Black accounts. Yeah, let me show you. This is the Lucid Black account. 1970. So we made 2 grand today. If we're making 2,000 for the upcoming 2 days on each 2,000, then we're gonna touch the target in 3 days, and we're gonna have 5 Lucid Black funded. I mean, we're not gonna be able to activate them because we have 5 Lucid Flex funded of 150k, which are extremely valuable, right? People saw how we were doing copy trading on Lucid Black because the PNL was on 5 accounts. It was showing there on the live stream. You guys have, you can see that on the replay on the stream. So that's kind of pretty much where we are today. We traded everything. We traded pretty much everything. And I think it's time for the giveaways today. Don't you agree with me? It's time for the giveaways. Good stuff, buddy. But very important, extremely important, I would say, let me show you something, is the account that we just finished, day number 6 in the 3rd cycle on YRM. Day number 6 in the 3rd cycle. We have 5,289 in the account. And let me just have some discussions with you guys here. We're going into our help center for the YRM. I'd like to show you what's the payout cap for the 3rd cycle. It is 3,500, right? Look at that one. 3,500 is my payout going to be if I touch that. We need 4 more days. Thank you guys. So let me talk to you guys. If we touch 6,000 in profit and we take 3,500 out, that's going to be 2,500. How are we supposed to go for the 4th cycle, which is having a payout of 6 grand if we only start with a $2,000 buffer? How are we supposed to go with that one, guys? So if I take my payout right now when I touch 6,000, I'll only be left with 2,500 after I'm just, you know, cashing out. You know, that's pretty tight, right? And I like to take that 6 grand payout, I'm telling you honestly. I like to take that 6 grand payout. You know, if I continue building my buffer, then I might risk this payout. And then I risk this payout for a potential one. Yeah. It's going to be interesting. We'll have to see. But tomorrow is going to be day number 7. And I can just make the minimum 150 for the rest of the days and take my 3,500 out. But then for the 4th cycle, my very first 3 days needs to be very good. Because we're not going to have too much drawdown left. You know, I did survive twice on that 2,000 buffer. Because that's how we always started after getting paid. After the 1st cycle, we only had 2,000. After the 2nd cycle, we only had 2,000. 12 AC. For the 1st cycle and 2nd cycle, we always had just 2,000 left in the account. And now for the 3rd cycle, we're, you know, thinking about having the same 2,000. You know, Quantum, that's 2,000 we had basically for the past 2 cycles as well in this one. It's the 3rd cycle we're trading, and that's what we had, about 2,000. You know, I could still survive. Maybe for that 6 grand, I would allocate like a month of trading. Like maybe, you know, have a stop loss of the day, set it up on $500 and trying to do 150, 200 bucks a day and just go like that for 30 days. I could take out less. I could take the minimum 500, but then it makes no sense, right? Because I leave 3,000 on the table, and then I have to take, you know, no, that's not good. Taking just 500 is not making sense. Three funded accounts with YRM, 3 funded accounts, and unlimited evaluations. Yeah, exactly. That was my strategy forever, Fred. You know, Fred, that was my strategy every single time. That's what I told people. Take the maximum at the very moment you are, and then that's something, it's 100% secure. What you could achieve is obviously standing down to the you could. That's why I always left myself with 2,000 drawdown, because I've been going for the max payout quickly. I'll take the max payout. You know, usually we're doing like that, and that's it. Look at a lovely move out here, guys, for the Nasdaq. But it's time for us to dive into the giveaway. Let me close out on Hope you guys had an ability here to monetize. You see once again, who gives us support? It's the red line, baby. It's the red line giving us support and reaction. Yeah, I think so. I hope so. 2000 is going to be enough to survive the third time. No, we had a breakout here, guys, on the trend. And then we got confirmation of support in the 5-minute candlestick by the 200 EMA purple line. And we got that confirmation during 5 candlesticks in a row. So it's kind of heavy, right? Look at that one, guys. Plus right below where the wicks are falling, it's the red line. And that's another place where the algos are set up to be buying. If you look into the last hour and 20 minutes, the algo is reacting on the red line. Good stuff, guys. So let's just quickly set up the ducks, the whale. What else do we need? And we need formula, right? Time for the giveaways. Time to celebrate 16 out of 16. Wish you the same, guys. 16 out of 16 hit the target today. And I hope we're going to take that third cycle pound. First giveaway will be $25,000 tap 1 futures end of the day drawdown instant funded. We were off during the weekend. We're not sharing giveaway codes. We're gonna resume back in business today once we finish the stream. Vertron. So how to participate? Everyone listen up carefully. How to participate, and if you are going to be denied, do not be surprised why, because I'm telling you the rules and you guys are not following. It's very simple. How to join, how to participate the giveaway. Number 1 thing, you want to complete the form. Number 2 thing, you have to like the video. It's everything in the chat. I'm putting things in the chat right now. The third thing, you got to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, trading, pushing education, and having a lot of giveaways out there, including a lovely community that is extremely valuable for our trading space. And then the fourth thing, you got to be joining our Discord. You got to join right now. The forum is very important, and Discord is important, and all that stuff. So, I'm going to think about the numbers. I'm going to think about the numbers and the ratios. This is going to be a $25,000 end of the day drawdown instant funding account for the Tap 1 futures. So, we're going to have 5 zeros. One number 1, one number 2, one number 3, and a 777 formula right there. And that's the way you can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Come on. Once again, 5 zeros, one number 1, one number 2, one number 3, and then 777. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not use from multiple accounts. You're going to get instantly banned. If you're spamming the chat, you're also going to get timeout automatically. And I wish you good luck, guys. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have 3. All right, stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. No more guesses. There you go. Stop right there. No more guesses. We're going to shuffle this way. And now it's ready. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. So that's not going to be the number 3. It's not going to be the number 2. And that could be the blue on the 7 between double zeros. Look at that one, guys. That's going to be pretty hot. But I think that's going to be the lucky 7 out there. Congratulations for the winners. I'm telling you, the paddle is listening and it's delivering. We got a paddle below the desk, I told you. For those of you that are fresh on our live stream, that's how we're controlling the wheel. A paddle below the desk set up with an AI system. And listening to my voice and pushing through this wheel. Number 7, congratulations for the winners. Good job. I think, Jake, you are kind of ready to give up on your number 2. Let's just move to the duck race. Do we have more than 100 winners? I don't think so, right? But we should have quite a few. We should be out there with quite a few. 250 have signed up for the forum. 56 for the winners. Well, I did expect it for the lucky 7 more than that, honestly. 56. Competing for a minute out here for the grand prize. Shuffle them once and let them fly through the river. Let them fly through the river. Yes, you have to sign up every day. Daily there is a giveaway, and each giveaway, obviously, you gotta sign up on a new link. Oh, look at that. Jake is gonna do that. Oh, look at that. Who's gonna speed up, guys? Who's gonna speed up? Come on, tell me. Adam. We've got Adam winning. Oh, look at that one. Adam is winning, Düsseldorf on the 2nd, but we've got Adam, which is our community member for a long period of time. Congratulations, buddy. Adam, look at that one. You got this, Adam. Time for me to see if you have signed up. That's the big question, Adam. So, Adam, are you here? Yes. You're fully confirmed, Adam. Congratulations. The $25,000 account for the end of the day drawdown on tap on futures goes out into your pockets. That's pretty heavy, I'm telling you. End of the day drawdown, tap on futures, 25 grand right there. It's a great place to start. Get your payout and then distribute. So, distributing, diversifying into more accounts. Lovely, guys. Absolutely lovely. Time to run the second giveaway, which is going to be a... The second giveaway is going to be pretty hot. It's going to be 50k Lucid Flex. Do you want to do... Let me ask you a question, guys. It just came through my mind something. You want to do 50k Lucid Flex or you want to do 50k Lucid Black? Let me ask you in the pool quickly. Quickly in the pool, just respond, guys, in the chat. Respond there in the chat. Come on. 50k Lucid Flex or Black? Let me know your votes. Once we have 100 votes, I'll turn it off. I'm going to turn it off. There you go. We got 100. 110. 72 voted for Flex. 28 voted for Black. Look at that. We're going to do the Flex then, obviously. So, second giveaway. 50k Lucid Flex. Fully confirmed. Democratically by our community. And that's ready. So let me think about the numbers. That's going to be pretty heavy. How easy How easy do I want to make the ratios out there? Like, if we want to do rounds... So listen up, guys. Listen up. 5 zeros. 5 number 7. And a single number 8. And that's it. You can start right now. 5 zeros, 5 sevens, and a single number 8. Five zeros, 5 7, and a single number 8. Best of luck, guys. A single guess per person. Just a single guess. Do not spam. There you go. Stop right there. No more guesses. For those of you that have joined fresh, you got to be joining on our forum to participate in the giveaway. Like the video. Be subscribed on the YouTube channel and our Discord. Stop right there. Shuffle them. And give it a fly. Roll the ball. Keep it rolling. What if that number 8 comes out? I don't think so. Number 8 is not going to come, guys. And we have a 777 there. We're going to stop on the number 7. 100% sure that's going to be the number 7 right there. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. It was not difficult. We have a double 7 today. Lucky 7 once again. Congratulations for winners. If we have more than 100 winners on the dock race, we're going to have 2 rounds. Second round will be with the top 3. Right? So top 3 will go second round if we have more than 100 winners. Because I think that's going to be 82. 82 winners. I did expected more, guys. So people lost trust on number 7. How is that even possible, guys? What's wrong with this? Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. 40 seconds to go here. This is a $50,000 Lucid Flex account. Pretty crowded space. Freeman 6x. We're gonna get you stopped out, Freeman. If you're leading right now, you're gonna get stopped out. And someone is gonna speed up for the last 3 seconds and watch that one, guys. You got a bear. JC Rotary. JC, you got this one, Rotary. Ah, look at that one. Congratulations, JC. And it was not more than 100 winners, so you got this one, JC. Let's verify if you did not forget to sign up on the forum. JC, are you here? No response found. JC Rotary. No response found. Oh my gosh. How is that even possible, JC? No response found. What a terrible mistake. But who's the second, guys? Who's the second? Ahmad. Ahmad is the second. Let's find out if you got his lucky die. Yes. Ahmad is his second, and it's right there. Yeah, right there, JC, but you did forget to sign up the form. We got Ahmad winning from the second ranked. JC did forget to fill up the form. And he actually missed a $50,000 Lucid Flex account, JC. Wow. Yeah, JC's been with us for many months. Well, that was a terrible mistake right there. Alright guys, back to the wheel. Third giveaway is gonna be 50k YRM. For the third giveaway. No more reply in the chat because the keyboard is broken, right? Since at the beginning, look at that one. And you forgot about a form today. That's crazy, wild stuff. And you got the number, plus you won the duck race. Ah, we gotta respect the rules, right? Not an issue for sure, but I'm just saying. Oh. Better luck next time. Third giveaway is 50k YRM. Breaking keyboards back and forth. So let me think about, guys. We need a difficult ratio here. So I'm gonna give you this way. 3 zeros. 3 number 7. And 3 number 8. And that's it. One guess per person. Let me know. You can start right now. One guess per person. 3 zeros, 3 sevens, 3 number 8. Let's go. C'est la vie. Best of luck, guys. This is a $50,000 YRM account. Big money right there. Big money right there. A top level prop firm. We've got cycle number 3, day number 6 completed. Got 4 more days, securing my third payout on the same account. We actually have multiple accounts and multiple payouts secured. Keep it rolling. Alright guys, so let's stop right there, no more guesses. That's it. Stop right there, no more guesses. Great. That's it for today. Shuffle. This way. That's the way it's gonna be. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Best of luck there. Our streaming continues tomorrow, 8 AM EST time. And in the meantime, join our Discord. We got that 00 coming through. Are we gonna stop on the yellow? I think so. I think so. That's gonna be with the 0, guys. Look at that. That's the 0. We didn't have 777. That's the 0. How to make your dog faster? Well, it has to be some cheat code, which I haven't figured out yet. But I only know how to make my scalping faster, and I only know how to make my PNL faster to the upside. But I don't know here with the ducks the way it works. So we got the 0. This is a 50k YRM account. Thank you, Rocky. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. 78 winners. So none of the none of the giveaways got to at least 100. 78 winners right there. 1 minute competition time. That's pretty hard. Shuffle them, boys, and leave them fly. Good luck, everyone. Oh, that's great, Jake. Looking forward to it. That's exactly the way it happened with our 12AC community member. He promised his account to someone else, and he spontaneously and instantly won. Yep. I don't teach for paid money. No. It's here on YouTube for free on the live stream. Ask me anything and I discuss and I show you basically. Right? Because it's, you know, one thing that you speak and that's easy. And it's something else when you show people and you do it. Right? 3 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? Chris. We got Chris with the number 60 right there on a naked duck. You see, that's why it's quick. Tris, you got this, Tris. Tris. There you go. Look at that one. Let's see if you... Sure. Let's see if you did completed a form, Tris. Tris. Oh my... it's not the T at the end. We don't need a T at the end. We got Tris out here. I was a little nervous. Because I put Trist. But now with a Tris is fine. There you go. You're fully confirmed. Congratulations, buddy. It's pretty quick to reply on a 50k YRM account. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much once again. We had a lovely day, don't you? I mean, look at the price section. Good to make money. And we're continuing tomorrow. So thank you so much. We're also continuing our discussions on Discord. And I'm dropping all the accounts, including from Friday and so on. Just keep it slow, guys. We were off during the weekend. And now we're back in business on heavy business. 16 out of 16 today. Coupon code Scramble pretty much everywhere for maximum discount on any plan. Have a lovely day.